Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm Big Cine Expo 2020 as the cinema exhibition community comes together for 2 exciting days of business, technology, innovation, ideas and conversations. Over the next 2 days, thank you, gentlemen.
The industry can connect, discover, collaborate, and shape the future of cinema. As cinema continues to evolve through Big Cine Expo brings together the futuristic technologies and solutions that are driving this change. At this moment, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to founder of Theatre World magazine, Mr. Sandeep Mittal, whose vision and commitment laid the foundation for this journey of innovation and industry engagement. A special note to gratitude along with every brand and organization associated with this year's expo. Let these 2 days be a celebration of cinema, innovation, technology and collaboration. Welcome to Galalai presents Big Cine Expo 2026.
Will unfold.
Sure that nothing is lost in between. It is a privilege for us to carry
And director.
Good morning. I was going to start with good evening. That's when the magic of the movies starts. But then I heard Raghav saying about 4 a.m. shows. So I thought it's prudent to start with the good morning. So thank you, Raghav and team, for inviting me and this honor to be on the same dais as all of the dignitaries and in front of such wonderful people. In the last Cine Expo,
and 9th edition, and that's what we reconciled. So congratulations, Raghav and team. I cannot agree with you more that it's been a fabulous journey. It's something that took really long to get established, but now that it is established, we really look forward every year to come and participate in this. This is something where we feel more relevant. I mean, as a global operator, I do get to attend an expo in Vegas, in Asia, that happens in Thailand, now probably in Korea. But, this is a place where every minute that you spend is something makes you feel more relevant.
Every single booth has something new to offer this year, and how to expand in the initial space. Not only in terms of building cinema, but also how to operate the cinema. There are many new technologies which are available. Please do come and join us in the expo.
It's a wonderful thing. The expo is 6 months for cinema theatre, but the single screen are multiplex. The expo has street on convention. At the next you can find a lot of products like speakers, projectors, new technology, ticketing, some broadcasting. Also, we have an advancement where the students will have a lot of knowledge session. So, we will speak about again the box office, technology, how to manage your cinema, how to maintain it, how to grow the box office. The two students